The teenager accused of hitting two state troopers after hydroplaning on I-91 faced a judge today.
Take a look at this video. You can see the crash here and the damage it caused to the police cruisers involved. NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney watched the arraignment. She joins us live here in studio with more. Melissa?
That's right, Mike and Keisha. Joel Kaiza appeared virtually. He's facing charges of reckless driving and traveling too fast, among others. The judge issues a $20,000 bond and said Kaiza can't drive while the case is pending.
Ultimately, the defendant engaged in very serious conduct that will have consequences that will be long-lasting to all of the parties involved.
The state brought forth charges of reckless driving, traveling too fast, failure to maintain an established lane, and operating a car without a license against Joel Kaiza in court. Kaiza's public defender says he's a Waterbury High School student with no record.
I think everyone's hearts go out to the officers, the people in the motor vehicles, everyone that was injured. But this was a car accident.
Kaiza did have an immigration attorney present, though there were no discussions of his immigration status. Court paperwork shows Trooper Chris Genovese and Trooper Matthew Seri were on I-91 in Enfield last Thursday because they were responding to a crash. One of the people in that first crash told police a large puddle on the roadway caused their incident. The crash involving Kaiza ended with 5 people going to the hospital, 2 of which were the troopers. Police say 1 was seriously injured. Kaiza was also hurt, and his public defender says he needed surgery. Witnesses report that Kaiza was probably driving around 85 miles an hour and appeared to have hydroplaned on the water.
He took a risk and drove, and that risk resulted in people being injured.
They say he then crossed all lanes of traffic, and another witness told police they heard a loud bang and saw Trooper Genovese in the air with him landing in the grass. Police say he was thrown 50 feet. Kaiza told police he was traveling 65 miles per hour. He says he lost control of his car because of the puddle in the road. He denied driving at an excessive speed. Connecticut State Police confirmed to us it is known that standing water on the highway was a factor in the investigation. In a statement, they tell us CTDOT was on scene with resources to clear storm drains, and they remind people to drive safe during inclement weather. And as a reminder, police urge drivers to slow down and move over for responders on the side of the road. Kaiza's back in court on August 8th. Live in the studio, Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News.